Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Mathify with Meenakshi. Today I will tell you a super easy trick to check whether a given number is prime or composite. For this I will take two examples. So let's start with first example. First you have to check that 89 is a prime number or not. So for that you have to follow two simple steps. First you have to find a number whose square is just less than and close to 89. So I have attached an image here so that you can see squares easily. So here we have 9 square, that's 81, which is less than 89. Now you will write that 9 square is less than 89. Now what you have to do, you have to take all the prime numbers less than 9, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. Now we'll check the divisibility rule. So I've attached pic for you on right side. You have to check that is 89 is divisible by 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. So let's see one by one. Is 89 divisible by 2? No, as the last digit is not even, so it's not divisible by 2. Now you have to check for 3. What is the sum of 8 plus 9? You know that sum of 8 plus 9 is 17 and that is not divisible by 3. So 89 is also not divisible by 3. Now we have to see last digit is 0 or 5. No, it's 9. That means it is not divisible by 5. Now we have to check 7. 7, you know that's not divisible by 7. So again, you will cut that. If a number is not divisible by all the prime numbers that you have selected, that means the given number is prime. So what we have to notice here, that check divisibility only up to the square root of the number, and if it is not divisible by any prime number up to that limit, it is prime. Let's take one more example. Suppose you have to check that 241 is prime or not. Again you have to select a number whose square root is less than 241, but you have to take the closer one. So I am taking here 15 square is less than 241. Now we have to take all the prime numbers less than 15. So that's 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. Now we'll check that is 241 is divisible by any of these prime number. First start with 2. No, because the unit digit is 1. That's not even, so it's not divisible by 2. Now for 3, the rule is sum of digits should be divisible by 3. But here sum is 7. Again, not divisible by 3. For 5, your unit digit should be 0 or 5. But here it's 1. Not divisible by 5. For 7, you have to take the double of unit digit. What's the double of 1? That's 2. 24 minus 2. What is that? 22. But it's not a multiple of 7 or 0, so that means it is not divisible by 7. For 11 you have to simply take the sum of alternative place. Here 2 plus 1 is 3 and here even place is 4. So 4 minus 3 is 1. Again it should be 0 or multiple of 11, but it is 1 here, so not divisible by 11. For 13, if you will check, you have to simply take the 4 times of unit digit, that is 1 into 4, you can say 4, and then you have to add with the remaining one, that is with 24. It will give you 28, but what you want, you want multiple of 13, but it's not multiple of 13, so again it's not divisible by 13. That means that again this number is prime. If this number is divisible by even one of the prime number, you will say that this number is not a prime number. Now I'm giving you one homework. You have to check that 967 is prime or not. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Mathify with Meenakshi. Thank you everyone.